children, how are you all? I hope all of you are fine. Children, all of you take out your second term EVS textbooks. Okay, we have finished first term EVS textbook and work. Yes, up till 8 lessons we have completed. And today we are going to see lesson number 9. Okay children, so all of you take out your EVS second term textbook. Okay, all of you take out your textbook page number 1. Okay, so here we are going to learn lesson number 9. What's the name of the lesson, children? Dear drops. What is the meaning of dear drops here? Water. Okay, so there are many uses of water. Yes, any living being cannot live without water. Living being means what? Living being means the animals, human beings, birds, anything which have life. Okay, so any living being cannot live without water. There are many uses of water. Yes, when we feel thirsty, what do we need? We want water. Yes or no? Yes, in summer season we drink plenty of water. Yes or no? Okay. For cooking, what is needed? Water. Yes. For washing clothes, what is needed? Clothes. Yes. All of you look into your textbooks. Okay. Lesson number 9, teardrops. Okay. All of you see think part. Okay. There is one picture. Okay. Look at the given picture. Many animals have come to drink the water. Okay. Many animals have come to drink the water here. Okay. So, do you think everyone will drink same amount of water, children? Do you think each and every animal will drink same amount of water? No. It depends upon the animals. Okay. It depends upon the personality of the animals. Yes. If suppose we take elephant. Elephant is a huge big animal. It wants plenty of water. Yes. Like when we take crow or any small bird or animal, they will be drinking less amount of water. Yes? Yes or no? Okay. See here. Remembering part. Everybody look. Remembering part. Okay. All living things. What is the spelling of living things? L-I-V-I-N-G. Living. T-H-I-N-G-S. Things. Living things. Okay. All living things. Be it plants, P-L-A-N-T-S, plants, or animals, A-N-I-M-A-L-S, animals. Okay, living things, be it plants or animals, need water to live. Okay, need water to live. Okay, next, we know that, no spelling what children, K-N-O-W, no. We know that the water we use every day, E-V-E-R-Y, every D-A-Y day. The water we use every day is fresh water. Yes? Do we use unnecessary water like waste, useless water, drainage water or anything? Will we use? No, we use only the fresh water. Yes? Every day we will use the fresh water. Yes? So, what is the spelling of fresh water? F-R-E-S-H, fresh, W-A-T-E-R, water. Fresh water means it is useful water, good water. Okay, that is fresh water. We use this water for drinking, D-R-I-N-K-I-N-G, drinking. Yes, and cooking, C-O-O-K-I-N-G, cooking. Yes. We also need water for bathing, B-A-T-H-I-N-G, bathing, washing clothes, W-A-S-H-I-N-G, washing clothes, C-L-O-T-H-E-S, clothes. Okay, cleaning, C-L-E-A-N-I-N-G, cleaning, and so on. Okay, many uses. Okay, we have many uses of water. So, here we needed water for what? Like drinking, bathing, cooking, washing. Okay, washing clothes, washing the utensils and all. Yes. Okay. So What's the water we are using? Fresh water. Every day we use the fresh water. Understood, children? Turn the page. See here, all the pictures are there. Yes. First picture is drinking water. Yes. Second one is cooking. Okay. Next one, bathing. Next one is brushing teeth. B-R-U-S-H-I-N-G. Brushing teeth. T-E-T-H. Okay. Brushing teeth. And cleaning vessels. C-L-E-A-N-I-N-G. Cleaning. V-E-S-S-E-L-S. Vessels. For cleaning vessels also we want water. Mopping the floor. Okay. M-O-P-P-I-N-G. Mopping. T-H in the F-L-O-R. Floor. For mopping the floor. Okay. Water is very much needed. And then washing clothes. W-A-S-H-I-N-G. Washing clothes. C-L-O-T-H-E-S. Okay. Washing clothes. We also need water to grow the plants. To grow. G-R-O-W. Grow the plants. P-L-A-N-T-S. Plants. Okay. We also need water to grow the plants in our gardens. G-A-R-D-E-N-S. Gardens. And fields. F-I-E-L-D-S. Fields. Gardening. Gardening means what? Gardening means growing a plant in the house. Okay. Like we grow the plants. Flowering plants in gamlas in our houses. Yes. Not only flowering plants, children. We will grow the vegetable plants also. Yes or not? Okay. So, next one. Fields. Fields means what? Farmers grow crops in the fields. That crops means, what are the crops? Rice, wheat, maize and all. Okay. Daily we are eating rice and wheat also. Yes or not? Yes. So, the crops are very much needed water. So, what they will do? They will keep pumps and water all the crops. Yes. Have you ever observed that? In fields they will use water pumps there and they will water the crops. Okay. In our houses we will pour water in the gamlas. Yes or no, children? Okay. Now you make a habit of pouring water to your plants in your houses. Okay. That's very good. Okay. Next. Plants and animals also need water. Plants need water. Need spelling what, children? N-E-E-D. Need. Plants need water for making food. Okay. For what purpose plants need water? For making food. Yes. Plants prepare their own food by the process called photosynthesis. Okay, children. Are you getting? Plants prepare their own food by the process called photosynthesis. For preparing food, they need air, water and minerals. Understood? So, animals need water for drinking and bathing. Okay. For what purpose animals need water? For bathing and drinking. Okay. So, some plants and animals can only live in water. Some plants and animals are there. They will live in only water. Okay. Can you name any examples, children? The plants which live in water are like hydrilla. One of the example is hydrilla plant. The hydrilla plant will be living in the water. Understood? Like animals, some animals like crocodiles and all, they live in water only. Yes or no? Okay. See, some plants and animals can only live in water. Okay, fishes. Take example fishes. Fishes live in water only. Once we take the fish out of the water, they will immediately die. Yes or no, children? Yes. So, some animals need water. Some animals live in the water. Okay. So, see how this girl is watering. Yes, watering the plants. Watering the garden plants. And this one, animals need water to drink and bath. Okay. Some plants and animals live in water. Okay, children. Okay, next. Understanding part. We have seen that all living things need water. Yes, all the living things, each and every living thing need water. Without water, any living being cannot live. Understood, children? Okay. What will happen if there is no water? Yes, every living being need water. If suppose water is not there, then what will happen? Suppose today water is not there. We didn't water to the plant. Then what will happen to the plant? Plants will become dry. Plants will become dry. Understood? So, water is very much important. Okay? If plants do not get water, they will start dying. Start drying means slowly they will get dry. Okay? D-R-Y-I-N-G. Start drying. If they do not get water for many days, they will dry and die. Okay? For many days, if we will not pour water, definitely the plants will get dry and die. See their plant, how in the gamla, how the plant got dried and later on died. Understood? So, water is very important for the plants. Okay? What happens if we don't get water to drink? If we don't get water to drink, we will feel thirsty. Yes? Thirsty spelling what, children? T-H-I-R-S-T-Y. Thirsty. We will feel tired. T-I-R-E-D. Tired. Okay? What happens if we don't get water to drink? We will feel thirsty. We will feel tired. Okay. If we don't drink water for a longer time, don't, D-O-N''T. That means do not. If we do not drink water for a longer time, means many days, 1 day or 2 days, like that. Okay. L-O-N-G-E-R, longer, T-I-M-E, time. For longer time, if we will not drink water, we may fall ill. I-L-L, ill. Means we will not feel good. Okay. We will feel uncomfortable. That is ill. Okay. We need to keep ourselves clean by taking a bath. Every day we should have a bath. Yes or no? Every day we should have bath. We should keep ourselves clean by taking a bath. Yes or no? If there is no water, okay, if there is no water, we cannot take a bath. Cannot spelling what, children? C-A-N-N-O-T. Yes, we cannot have a bath. We may become sick. S-I-C-K, sick, because of germs. B-E-C-A-U-S-E, because of germs. G-E-R-M-S. What are germs? Germs are the animals which we cannot see with our naked eyes. Understood? So, germs will be there on our body every time. So, only we should compulsorily have a bath. Understood? If there is no water, we cannot have a bath, and due to which we will become sick. Understood? We will not have a bath, and due to the germs on our body, we will become sick. Understood? Animals also need water. If they do not get water to drink, okay, they too will become, B-E-C-O-M, become sick. Yes, they will also become sick. Okay, this is what we understood. Each and every living being need water. Water has many uses. It is used for cooking, bathing, drinking, washing utensils, yes, washing clothes, mopping the floor, etc. etc. Yes, plants do not get water, they will become dry. Okay, if it becomes many days, means if there is no water for many days, if we do not pour water for many days to the plants, they will get dry and die. Understood? And then what happens if we do not get water? for drinking, we will become ill. Okay, and every day we have to keep ourselves clean by having bath. But if there is no water, what will happen? We will become sick due to the germs. Okay, germs will make our body get order. Yes, and then due to the germs, we will become sick. Okay, animals also need water. If they do not get water to drink, they will too become sick. Okay, children, this is what we have learned in the remembering and understanding part. Okay, take out your textbooks and underline the spellings. Okay, and then you have to write in your classwork notebooks. Okay, take page number 1 and underline fresh water. Fresh water. Okay, washing clothes. Washing clothes. Cleaning. Cleaning. Okay, next. Drinking. Cooking. Bathing. Brushing teeth. Cleaning vessels. Mopping. Washing clothes. Okay, and then watering. And then next page, dry, tired, longer time, sick, germs. Okay, children, is that clear? See the board. Fresh water, Freshwater, fresh water. Washing, washing. Clothes, clothes, washing clothes. Cleaning, cleaning. Drinking, drinking. Cooking. Bathing. Brushing. Cleaning. Vessels, cleaning vessels. Mopping, mopping. Watering. Dry. Tired. Sick. Germ. So now all of you take out your classwork and all of you copy down all these new words in your classwork. Okay. Today your homework is you have to read and write lesson number 5 question and answers in short question and short answers. Okay, all of you tick question number 12, 13, 16 and 17. Okay, these 4 question and answers you have to write one time in your homework notebook. Lesson number 5, question number 12, 13, 16 and 17. Okay, these short answers you are going to write ST in your next class. Okay, is that clear? Thank you. Have a nice day.